Hey guys, thinking about getting this RV? What do you think? It's a Sunray Sport. It's really small imprint. Check it out, it's really cute. So let me tour you around here. It's my brother and Jesse talking turkey here. And here we got a little dining area. Whoops, watch that first step, man. Let's see if you see the dining area. It's got a stove, gas stove, microwave. As you know, I can't cook, so it's a good thing we have a microwave. Air conditioning, refrigerators right here. I got heat around here somewhere, but here's the bed. Check it out. Nice little bed. Yes. Home sweet home, man. Of course, lots of storage. Really small. Check out the bathroom. You know, I got to show you the bathroom. So we got the toilet, shower combo. But if you don't like taking a shower where you do other business, they have an outside shower. So we'll see how that goes. Outside, as I said, it's a Sunray Sport. It's jacked up, so you can do some off-terrain stuff. I'm probably going to get the tow vehicle. It's going to depend where I may go, but I'm looking at something like a Jeep or, you know, something that can go off-road. By the way, the folks that I'm dealing with are really just awesome. They're Scenic Roads RV. They've got locations in Lebanon, Tennessee, and I'm in Manchester right now. And here's the other side. So that's it, man. Got an outdoor shower. Other than that, it's like your basic RV. Obviously, it's a trailer, but it's a small one. So I like the fact that it's compact. I'm going to be going solo on this trip. Shooting it all myself or hiring camera folks, you know, depending on how COVID is doing. So far, so good on that note. And of course, I'm trying to think long term, not just this summer. You know, what can I use? Where can I boondock somewhere? Maybe skip the whole madness at the RV parks. And I thought this was perfect. So let me give you one more exterior shot here. It's a Sunray Sport. So hit me up. Let me know what you think. Should I get this? Small? I like small. What do you think? Let me know.